Welcome to this video explaining how to prepare a price proposal in ECOS, the easier costing software designed to help you prepare your price proposals in detail for an easier tender. This is the second of two videos that cover the preparation of price proposals in ECOS. In this video, you will learn how to allocate costs and create your milestone payment plan. If you need a reminder of the initial steps, please refer to the previous video, How to Prepare a Price Proposal in ECOS Part 1. Once your work breakdown structure, WBS, has been created, you can start allocating costs at the work package, WP level. Select the costing view and select the work package you want to fill in. Then click on Cost Elements. There are 7 cost elements, 5 of which you will need to set manually: labor, internal special facilities, ISF, other direct costs, ODC, cost without additional charge, CWAC, and company contributions. The remaining 2 cost elements will be discussed later in this video. Let's start with labor costs. Select a code. These codes come from the rates form you assigned to the work package. Enter the number of hours worked over the period indicated for this work package. The start and end dates are filled in automatically with the work package's dates, but they can be edited. The gross unit rate comes from the rates form. The subtotal is calculated automatically. Add any additional labor costs, then click on Save and Recalculate. You can now see the total labor hours and costs for your work package under Total Company Price. The default distribution of hours is uniform, but you can change this by clicking on the magnifying glass and then entering the hours for each month. Follow the same steps to complete the internal special facilities costs. Other direct costs include 4 types of costs: materials and parts, external services, miscellaneous, and travel and subsistence. To add a cost, select it from the list, enter a description, and click on the plus icon to add the requested information. The base amount is calculated automatically. Start and end dates are filled in automatically with the work package's dates, but they can be edited. The default distribution of hours is uniform, but it can be edited. The overhead percentage comes from your rates form. Click on Save and Recalculate. A provision for escalation is automatically calculated for work packages whose year differs from the tender's economic conditions, provided the selected price type allows it. This calculation uses the escalation indices you previously entered in the escalation indices table, as well as the escalation fixed element entered in the project phase information. In the profit section, the amount of profit is automatically calculated for each work package according to the profit fee. For costs to which the profit percentage should not apply, use the cost without additional charge category. Finally, use the company contributions category to enter any costs that need to be deducted from the total cost of your work package. After entering your costs, complete the work package description by clicking on the Description tab. You can also import work package descriptions by uploading an Excel file. Once your WBS and costs have been entered, you must complete your milestone payment plan, MPP, before submitting your price proposal. Note that you can manage your advance payments. For further information on this, please refer to the Preparing a Price Proposal Part 2 manual. From the Price Proposal Actions menu, click on Milestone Payment Plan. Select your proposal option and phase Then click on Add Milestone. Enter the required information. Link a date to a proposal event, if relevant. Enter the amount to be paid and click on Save. Complete the other milestones in the same way. Your milestone payment plan is displayed in a graph showing your cumulative expenditures, blue line, and your cumulative payments, pink line. So far during this course, we have explored how to allocate costs and manage your milestone payment plan. The next video will show you how to submit your price proposal. For further information, please refer to the manuals and other videos available by clicking on Help on the ECOS homepage. Thank you for your time and for watching this video.